Violence is a universal language. Obey the code of silence. I thank God, not the universe. I got it down to a science. Essentially, I'm just a hybrid, high-born cannabis investor. But still on my music masters. No Sylvester, break the seal like it's Velcro. The black Russell Crowe, you know black don't crack. I'm in the Ruber with a cougar, no crow's feet. Married to the mafia, a shotgun wedding. I'm never cold feet. They find your body where they grow wheat. Surrounded by crows, you better eat your Wheaties. I never chose freebies, nothing sweet, stick yourself like the diabetes. I don't wanna hear your diatribe. I'm too diabolical for peace treaties. My niggas gon' ride, my niggas gon' ride. My third time in the West Indies in like 6 months. I'm on the low while they witch hunt. My chakras align like a witch doctor. This ain't witch Hazel, it's like Procter & Gamble. Options to sample, gamble with your life. The fly, niggas can't hold the candle to me. You just a moth burned by the flame. I'm in the loft, I learned a lot of game. Half of which you couldn't handle fully. Yeah. Keep the powder dry. Fly. Yo. They say the right attitude gives you power. I can't agree more. You either strong or you smart. Play your part. If you weak, don't be a coward. Reap what you sow. You never know. You might be responsible for some shit that you don't know. The 25th hour. Wisdom power. First you get the game, then you empower the people next to you who've been the best to you. Furthermore, it brings checks to you. Everybody eats, much respect to you. State your business in my place of business. Consequences motivate the witness. Here's a toast to the shareholders that rise above any cancel culture. Do the dance and they might promote you. Take a stand there, wipe your nose. Sometimes niggas ain't selfish, they just ain't got enough to help the helpless. How it is, irony the rules. The shoemaker kids go without shoes. Never lose. A pocket full of jewels. Gun in my pocket. $5,000 shoes. $1 in a dream. Pocket full of jewels. Gun in my pocket, $5,000 shoes.